So let's look at construction of quadrilaterals. It is necessary to recall the properties of these quadrilaterals. And the first example on our list is a square. This is an example of a square. A square, I said, is a quadrilateral or is a four-sided plane shapes with all sides being equal. So, what are the properties of a square? One is that all four sides are equal in length. That is to say, the length of this side is equal to the length of this side, same with this side and with this. In most cases, you will have something like this. When a square is drawn, you have a mark like this, indicating that all four sides are equal. Also, we have it that the diagonals are lines of, all four angles are right angles. That is, all the four angles of a square are said to be right angle, which are 90 degrees. So these are said to be 90 degrees each. 3 is that the diagonals are lines of symmetry. Where are the diagonals? This is one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. Now, a diagonal is a line that runs from the top left-hand side to the bottom right-hand side, or from the top left-hand side to the bottom left-hand side. Now, we said the diagonals are lines of symmetry. What do you understand by lines of symmetry? A line of symmetry is said to be a line that divides a shape or an object into two equal parts. So if you look at the lines of symmetry, for example, this diagonal, it divides this square into two equal parts. And if you look at it, you agree with me that this side is said to be equal to this side. So that is what we mean by saying that the line of symmetry, the diagonals are lines of symmetry, meaning it divides such shape into two equal parts. So it may be this or it may be this diagonal. Whichever diagonal you choose, it is said to be a line of symmetry. 3 or 4, that the diagonals are equal in length. Yes, since all sides are equal and the angles are said to be 90 degrees, it therefore means that the two diagonals are equal in length. And 5, that the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Yes, that is to say these angles are equally said to be of 90 degrees each. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at my lesson teacher. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend that you share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes.